Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a screen record of your phone like this one right here. And I'm going to be showing you this in a few simple steps. Keep watching. Quick one guys, for you to make a screen record of your phone, the first thing you need to do is to head on to Play Store like I'm doing right now. Then the step 2 is type screen recorder. Once you type it, you look for screen recorder X recorder, the one done by X Record company, which is this one right here, and I click it. So once you click it, this is the screen record. I've already downloaded it. You can download it immediately you click on it. So once you download it completely, you open it. So this is the screen recorder. So once you open it, you do some minor setups. Some minor setups. After doing the minor setups, your screen record will automatically start working. The only thing you need to do is anytime you want to use it, you go straight to your settings. Then you will see where you will see a voice screen recording shortcut. Then you click on it, you start recording immediately like I'm doing right now. So that is all for screen recording. Thanks for watching guys. Please make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell on this channel, so that once we release another informative video like this one, you will be notified. Bye for now.